Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for for creating KMZ files from Excel data. You can see I have Excel. It's not Excel. I don't have Excel installed, but it's Excel mobile. It's a like free version of Excel. It's showing me what is in this my places Excel file, and you can see I have couple columns. One is placemark with a placemark name. Another is placemark description. It contains some description, and another field is longitude, latitude, and altitude. It is basically GPS data for this placemark. I'm gonna create KMZ file from this Excel, and we're gonna upload it into Google Map and see if it shows properly. However, not all fields are required. You can have a different column names into your Excel, but name doesn't matter. And only thing is required is name and longitude and latitude to be shown. Other fields are optional. Yeah, so file is in my documents. I will be using this file, but first I will install application. To find application, I will visit this website. I will link on this site into description. To find app, I will click on search and type KMZ, and I need this KMZ placemark from Excel. And I will click on download button to download application on my computer. I'll be recording more videos on KMZ formats, different formats, and because KMZ is more like container, it could contain different data types, like it could contain track, GPS track, or it could contain polygons like areas selected, or it will contain placemark, like in our case we have a placemark. So we're gonna create placemark KMZ from Excel. You can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next, next install, click on yes, and click on finish on file screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer, have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now, before we start conversion, it's important if you close close Excel if it's already open into Excel on your computer, because Microsoft Excel, when it's open Excel file, it locks it exclusively, so other application cannot access it. So conversion will not be possible until you close your Excel file. You can see I closed mine, and when it closed, we can go with conversion. Now, if you want to see example of Excel file I'm converting in this video, you can click by download this input file example, and it will be downloaded on your computer. You can see what fields there are, maybe create similar file, your file with placemarks and GPS data as well. So conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we will select Excel file we would like to use for conversion. I click on this input file, click on my places, click on open, and you can see it has been selected. Then click on next step. On second step, we have to map our KMZ columns to our Excel columns. So for example, name column in Excel, I think it's called placemark name. Description is placemark description. Latitude is lat. Longitude is long. Altitude, I have altitude, but it's optional. And basically, as I say, you can specify a description column like placemark name. If you have a place, it will be the same on description. And altitude is not required, time is not required. Just click on next step, and on final step we'll click run to create KMZ file. It's asking me for a name KMZ file. Let's call it my places KMZ. Click save, and then we will go to my maps google.com. open this map, click on import, and select our KMZ file and see if KMZ file we created is good. Yeah, you can see all data from Excel has been imported. I have places and I have a description. Yeah, everything is here. Wait. Yep. Yep. So yeah, it all depends on how well like description and the name is added, and what you have in Excel will be converted into a KMZ file. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more applications like this and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.